Hello friends, greetings from Matrutha Hospital and 3D Laparoscopic Center Jalna. Today we are presenting a case of hysteroscopic septum resection. A 21-year-old female married since 2 years with previous 2 first trimester abortion came to our hospital. On investigation with 3D ultrasound, she was diagnosed as a case of septum. Patient was posted for diagnostic and operative hysteroscopy. Initially diagnostic hysteroscopy done, which was suggestive of septum with broad base reaching up to both ostia. Our plan was complete resection of septum hysteroscopically. Assembly used in the surgery are hysterojet, resectoscope with Collins knife. Distension media used was normal saline. The principle of surgery is to cut septum from one end to another end, or you can take precise and controlled short cuts. Care should be taken to avoid risk of perforation. Upper margin of septum cut should be near away from tubal ostia. Complete septum resection can be confirmed when we see both tubal ostia from internal os. Postoperatively, patient should be kept on estradiol therapy for 3 months for endometrial growth. Also, you can put 10 number Foley's catheter or copper T to prevent intrauterine adhesions. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.